Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable BIOS Backflash on Lenovo Yoga Book 9. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there's a video on our channel on how to do it. Once that's done, go to configuration and then scroll down. You'll find BIOS Backflash, and that, if enabled, will allow you to get BIOS back to the previous version if something goes wrong after an update. And if after an update you enable it, probably it won't work, so it's best to enable it, then update your BIOS, and in case something happens, you will be able to back level it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.